Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. I apologize for my appearance here. I'm looking rather chillax, and obviously you can tell I'm going to be doing stuff to my hair, so I didn't want to wear nice clothes and get them ruined. Okay, on to the next point. I'm going to explain to you what I think I'm going to be doing. Basically, I don't want to touch my roots at all. I'm aiming for a little bit lighter. I am expecting where I put the bleach, I'm expecting that to turn ginger. When I went from blonde to brown hair, I did do that filler, which is that reddish color in my hair, and then I put the brown dye on top, which I will link that whole video down below. I'm not going to talk about making my hair darker because this is a video about making my hair lighter. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. To start off, I'm going to go over, first of all, my little bit of hair history. I kind of was like a soft brown, dark blonde when I first started to dye my hair. Let's see. Yeah, I've been dyeing my hair dark brown for 10 years now with just box dye. So really not the best thing to put in your hair, but my hair was really healthy, really long, really pretty. So then I decided one winter, you know what, last winter, I decided I want to see what it looked like as a blonde again. I want to do it. So I did it, and it looked really good. But then after a couple months, I decided, I think I look better with darker hair. It just brings out my eyes more, and I like to have dark hair because it's less upkeep. Well, I did dye my hair dark. It turned out really great, but my hair just doesn't want to hold on to permanent hair dye, and I'm going to guess that's because of the bleach. So my thinking with this is to just change my hair up a little bit without damaging all of it, without getting product on all of my hair. I'm really just trying to add some dimension here, and I don't want to touch my root, like I said, and that's because, you know, like this hair that's like probably a good 3 or 4 inches is fresh hair, new hair that hasn't been colored, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to go over the products with you guys. For bleach today, I'm using what I have left. This is the Prism Lights Blue Lightener. And then I'm going to be mixing that with a 20 volume developer, and I think the method I'm going to do is the teasing method, and then I will apply with a brush, and then I will wrap in plastic wrap. After that's been in my hair for a little bit, I'm going to tone my hair. If it needs toning, which I'm assuming it will because, like I mentioned, I did put that red filler into my hair, and I think the bleach is going to lift it to that red color. So to combat that red color, I have 2 blonde toners here. One is beige blonde, one is medium beige blonde, T27 and T35. I'm not wanting like icy highlights, so I figured if I toned this with the red hair that might come out, it would give me like kind of like a golden dark blonde thing. Also, I don't remember if I said it in my intro or not, I am not a licensed professional. I am just a girl who likes to color her hair. So I am not recommending that you do this at home. I don't know how this is going to turn out for me, and I definitely don't know how it's going to turn out for you. Yeah, disclaimer. So, let's get started. So to start, I am going to section my hair. And I do have coconut oil in my hair. I let coconut oil soak in my hair for 2 hours now, just to kind of have a protective barrier against the bleach. Also, sorry if my mirror down here is bothering you, but I need a mirror. Alright, so what I've done is I've sectioned my head in 3. I already have my little first piece that I'm going to start out with down here. So I have a bun in the back and 2 up front. So I'm going to do the back of my head first and then do each side. What I did was I mixed up a ratio of 1 scoop of bleach to 2 parts of the developer, and you're kind of going for like a pancake batter consistency, so nothing sticky and nothing super runny either. So I'm going to take this first little section, and what I'm going to do is back comb it. You kind of have to work a little bit harder if you have coconut oil in your hair. Your hair doesn't want to tangle. And remember, like I said, I am not going up to the root here. Now we wait. So now I am going to grab another layer of hair. Alright, so I have another piece of hair and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. And with this next layer, I'm kind of dividing my hair up into thirds. Alright, so I finished the back of my head and one half of the front. Now I'm moving on to the next half. In case my camera dies, which I'm pretty sure it's going to, I am starting with a diagonal section down this way. And I'm kind of going to be doing like a brick pattern, so the next section is going to be that way, like so, and so on and so forth all the way up. Alright, so I am coming back to you with the finished look. I am so sorry. I thought my camera battery was going to be able to hold on, and I thought I was going to be able to film myself toning my hair, but that just was not the case, unfortunately. But don't worry, because everything I have done to my hair in this video, and that I did off camera, will be listed in great detail down below. So if you're confused, check out the description box. So once I got the bleach finished in my hair, I believe my last section I was working on was this one, and I think I at least got through part of that. After the bleach was in my hair for an additional 20 to 25 minutes, I washed it out. I lifted way lighter than I thought I was going to lift. I was really surprised about that. I definitely got to a blonde level, which is crazy because I just thought I was going to be like a redhead after this, and yeah, I mean, I'm not mad about it. I like how my hair turned out, but it just, I was not expecting it. So the toner that I used was T27, which is medium beige blonde, and T35, which is beige blonde. So I mixed these two together to get like, you know, 1 part of toner to 2 parts of developer. Use a 30 volume, well, not used, use whatever you think is best for your hair. I used a 30 volume developer. All I did was mix a 20 developer and a 40 developer together to get the 30. So 1 part toner to 2 parts of developer. I worked that into my hair pretty vigorously for probably 5 to 10 minutes, and then I let it sit for another 10 minutes. I've never left Wella's toners on for 30 minutes. I've never done the total time just because my hair doesn't need it. So yeah, once I rinsed the toner out, this was the result. Again, I'm not sure, like I totally was not expecting to get this light, but I will turn around and show you what the back of my head looks like. I am pretty happy with this though. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions. If you want to see exactly what I did step by step, mixture by mixture, look at my description box because I'll have it all in there. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And didn't I tell you I was going to look so much better at the end? I know I did. I looked like a freak with that saran wrap on my head. a freak. I'm almost kind of surprised I'm posting this video, but I know you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, but this is how I got my hair to this. I'm not actually sure what I'm gonna call this video because this isn't exactly, like, there's highlights in my hair, but it's almost like a balayage, like brunette to honey blonde balayage. Maybe that's what I'll call it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm totally rambling now. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.